The Tesla Cybertruck was announced as a revolution in four-wheeled capability. It was going to be fast, sturdy, bulletproof, and somehow a boat. But now that the truck is finally out in the wild, it's being forced to contend with a hazard no one could have foreseen: snow. It seems Cybertrucks have flown far from their Texan origin and are now being found on the sort of snow-filled roads that crisscross most of the United States in January. The trucks are most likely still out on those roads because if footage from social media means anything, they sure as hell aren't making it home. An Instagram user posted a video of a Cybertruck slipping and getting stuck in about 4 inches of snow in an unspecified location. A man in the video quips, referring to Tesla CEO Elon Musk as the Cybertruck driver, quote,
"Call Elon, he'll get you out."
X-users reposted the video on the platform, prompting a round of derision from the peanut gallery. There's literally a sedan like 30 feet ahead of it that made it all the way to a parking space, joked podcaster and journalist Robert Evans. This is not a lot of snow, another X-user wrote. If you lived in the Buffalo Niagara region, you would not be able to go to the store and buy milk between December and March if you drove a Cybertruck. In another X post, a user posted a picture of a stuck Cybertruck getting towed through snow in the vacation spot of Lake Tahoe, which is in California and Nevada. Another storm, another Cybertruck needing a rescue. They wrote, "It's like finding a leprechaun that's constantly getting stuck in a glue trap." And back in December, a TikTok video also showed a stuck Cybertruck being pulled up by a sports utility vehicle on a slight incline of snow and ice. All this content showing its performance in real-world condition doesn't bode well for a vehicle that's being hyped as the next big thing in the lucrative consumer truck sector. The problems facing the Cybertruck in snow are, in fairness, not the truck's fault. Whether due to tread design, compound, or a combination of both, it appears the stock tires simply don't have the grip to handle snowy roads. Yet, based on the release candidate footage, Tesla was clearly aware of the tire's flaws before launch. Why give your first 10 trucks those same flawed tires? Was the extra range provided by hard-wearing rubber worth the aggravation of having a truck that doesn't work for 4 months out of the year? Does the efficiency bonus from having such little tread make up for the lack of capability? As a lifelong Northeasterner, I don't know that I'd make that trade. However, some online commentators have come to the Cybertruck's rescue by pointing out that the cars being shown didn't have snow tires or snow chains, and it getting stuck may be due to overinflating the tires or driver error. Regardless, the news doesn't come at a good time for Tesla's Cybertruck, which has had to contend with range and quality control issues, in addition to numerous delays and production problems. Perhaps the issues with the Cybertruck and Tesla are emblematic of a problem at the top. Musk is too distracted by his many companies, including the social media platform X, to run Tesla properly, and that's without getting into the drug allegations.